Wonderful, yeah.
All right, so here's a look at the coastline from earlier today. Some nice clearing skies for just in time for Thanksgiving after we saw plenty of rain showers yesterday. And we're seeing your photos, #B on KSBY. Some fantastic rainbows out there along with some kind of mixture of low clouds and high clouds out there. Charisse, thanks for showing us what your view is over this Thanksgiving holiday. Show us what you're doing for the rest of this weekend, whether that be Black Friday shopping or maybe just relaxing after your turkey dinner. 24-hour rain total seeing up to 2 inches at Rocky Butte, Santa Margarita coming in close there, at Atascadero over an inch, Cambria, Slow Reservoir also seeing over an inch, Arroyo Grande just about at an inch, and Santa Barbara seeing a little bit less, 0.8 of an inch. Current conditions now are cool in the high 50s in Santa Barbara County. Low 50s for San Luis Obispo, Santa Maria, Paso now into the 40s. Those winds are calm now into these overnight hours. Possibility of seeing some dense fog here move in overnight into those coastal areas. The wind forecast is expected to pick up a bit moving into your Friday. We've seen that onshore breeze kind of sticking around here, making it feel even cooler. Saturday into Sunday, you can expect that wind to be right around 15 miles per hour before it calms down a bit Sunday night. Okay, so microclimate models showing some of that cloud coverage moving back into these overnight hours and some remnants of a storm moving through Northern California. We're going to see some of that moving through the Central Coast as well. We're not going to see the same amount of rainfall that we saw on Wednesday, but we're still going to see some wet pavement out there. That continues into the very early morning parts of your Saturday before we see some nice clearing and partly cloudy skies continuing. That cloud coverage returns into these overnight hours of your Saturday, then into your Sunday. Rain potential is going to be a lot less, as we had mentioned. We saw up to an inch in a lot of areas, 2 inches in some spots, but by the end of your Friday, expecting to see about 1/2 inch, maybe a little bit more in places like Cambria and Paso. Other places, Goleta, less than 0.3 of an inch is expected. American models showing some clearing expected after that for a quick break, but in the very long term, possibility of another shower moving through Northern California and possibly bringing more showers to the Central Coast as well. Keeping a close eye on that. Forecast temperatures into tomorrow for your Black Friday into the low 60s for Paso, 68 in San Luis Obispo, high 60s in Santa Maria as well. Santa Barbara into the low 70s, 67 in Los Alamos, Vandenberg 66. So a lot of these areas stretching into the high 60s or low 70s, but if you're in the North Coast, also into the mid 60s. Over the next 5 days, we're expecting showers in San Luis Obispo County and northern parts of Santa Barbara County. It looks like Santa Barbara will stay clear of those showers, but still see some clouds sticking around there. Partly cloudy skies over the next couple of days, seeing a little bit of an increase in those temperatures by a few degrees or so. Paso going from 63 to 68 by Monday as we see a very slight warm up here. San Luis Obispo back into the low 70s as you move into Sunday, then into Monday. Richard, I'll send it back to you.